How to review hobbies you've added on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review hobbies you've added on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click the storylines here and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click settings and go down here, you will find activity log. Click on it and then this one, profile information, and then hobbies you've added, and here you can review hobbies you've added. It's easy, of course, and that's how to review hobbies you've added on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.